Turbo unlocked. With the aerodynamics package, TECHART redefines individual styling for the Turbo. The Aerokit consists of a separate front apron that replaces the original front end. Powerfully shaped side skirts and air blades, which give the side air intakes a new contour, are also part of the styling package. A roof spoiler directs the air precisely to the newly designed TECHART rear wing profile, which replaces the standard rear spoiler of the 911 Turbo. A powerful diffuser and innovative air outlets with integrated fins on the left and right at the rear make it clear there is no standard turbo on the move here. The active aerodynamics of the 911 Turbo with variable front and rear spoilers remain part of the sophisticated aerodynamics of the 911 Turbo even with the TECHART styling package installed. In the design process as well as in the wind tunnel test, the development also focused on three essential objectives: the new dynamic TECHART design line, optimized and balanced aerodynamics on the front and rear axles, and the perfect compatibility and installability of the Aerokit through the extensive use of series assembly points. The design of the aerodynamics package already takes new customization options into account, with which the character of the styling can be adapted to customer requirements. The multi-part TECHART front end offers countless accentuation options through multicolored paintwork and styling elements such as side air outlets on the front apron and aerodynamic canards on both sides of the front spoiler. The side skirts are also constructed in several parts. The diffuser element at the rear has 5 distinctive fins and a design element that wraps around the exhaust system. All components of the Aerokit for the 911 Turbo and 911 Turbo S models are manufactured in Germany according to the high TECHART quality requirements. The new Aerokit completes the TECHART individualization range for the 992 Turbo models. In addition to the styling options, the program already offers new central locking forged wheels, performance upgrades for engine power, exhaust system and chassis, as well as individual interior design from the TECHART manufactory, where the specially designed sports steering wheels are also handcrafted.